Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to use the formula column in Monday.com to perform calculations, automate decisions, or create advanced logic, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Add a formula column. Open your board arrow, click plus, add column arrow, select formula. This column allows you to create custom calculations based on other columns. Step 2. Understand the basic syntax. Formulas use column names wrapped in curly braces like status, numbers, or date. You can combine operators like plus, minus, asterisk, slash, and functions like if, concatenate, or round. Step 3, use conditional logic. Example, if, status, done, completed, pending. This formula displays a check mark when a task is done and a cross if pending. Step 4. Perform numerical calculations. Example, hours worked times hourly rate. This calculates total cost automatically for each item. Step 5. Combine text and numbers. Example, concatenate. Task, task name, due date. This creates a readable summary of each task. Step 6. Use date functions. Example, days, end date, these start with date. This calculates the number of days between two dates, useful for tracking timelines. Step 7. Test and validate formulas. Always check a few rows to ensure the formula produces the expected results. Adjust column names and syntax if needed. Step 8. Optimize for clarity. Use emojis, text formatting, or conditional outputs to make formulas visually easy to interpret at a glance. Formula columns in Monday.com let you automate calculations, apply conditional logic, and summarize complex data, making your board smarter and more efficient. Follow these steps and your Monday.com board will handle advanced logic automatically. See you in the next guide.